Time is a precious commodity. Some will say it's the most precious thing. So we want to be very intentional about how we spend it. And there are people out there who have their own intentions about how we should spend our time. So if we're not clear about our own priorities, we will fall prey to other people's priorities. And let's do some tapping around that, shall we? So taking full responsibility for your own well-being, just tap where I tap and repeat back what I say. I choose to be more clear about my priorities, and I choose to love and accept myself. I choose to be clear about my priorities, and I choose to love and honor myself. I choose to be clear about my priorities. I choose to get more and more clear about them so that that's where I spend my time and energy. I choose to be more clear about my priorities, and I choose to deeply and completely love, honor, and accept myself. And maybe anyone else who might be involved in this, because I choose to be that free. I choose to be more clear about my priorities. I choose to be more clear about my priorities. What is most important to me? What is most important today? I only have 24 hours today. What is the best use of that time? What is the best use of my energy? I can't do everything today. As much as I choose to feel unlimited, there might be some limitations. So, what is the best I can do within those limitations? If I can't do everything today, what are my priorities? And how do I stay focused on them? I might say to myself, I know what's most important to do today. But first, let me check social media and see what other people think is important for me today. And it's not that I'm bad or stupid. It is not that I am weak or lazy. I am just susceptible to life. And that can leave me susceptible to other people's priorities. And I'm processing all of this, allowing myself to be free from that temptation so that I can focus on my priorities, so that I can be more intentional. I choose to love and forgive those parts of me that sometimes give in to that temptation, that move me away from my priorities. Is it a lack of commitment? Or maybe an abundance of resistance? I might say that I know what my priorities are, but there might be other parts of me that say it's best if we don't meet those. I might be afraid of having my priorities. And so I'm looking for distractions. I choose to love and appreciate those parts of me that might give into distractions as a way of protecting myself. I may not know how it protects me. I'm just open to the possibility that that's the intention. So that instead of beating myself up for being distracted, I can appreciate that part. But I also choose to clear the resistance so that I can refocus on my priorities. I am capable of doing remarkable things, but I have to allow myself to focus on those. So I'm clearing what gets in the way so that I can be more clear about my priorities, have more space to focus on them, and set myself up for success, releasing the fears and doubts that want to keep me stuck. I'm setting myself free. I'm getting more and more clear about my priorities, giving myself greater freedom to focus on them in body, mind, and spirit. Take a deep breath. Just allow yourself to be aware of what might be showing up. And hopefully, this video has good return on investment for you. So it's not just a distraction, but something that sets you up to be even more clear about your priorities, helps you achieve even more of what you want, and helps you become more of who you choose to be. And if you feel that it's doing that for you, I hope you'll share it with others. Please and thank you. And when there's other things that might get in the way, I'm here for you. Thanks.